Rookie Anthology.
Okay, 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology Hockey. Okay. There we go. Alright. So last box, just did the Upper Deck University of Oklahoma and University of Texas. Pulled a nice Sam Bradford auto out of the Oklahoma and got shorted in the University of Texas. So, you know what to do about that. But 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology, box top. Oh, it's an auto. Only it's luxury suite. I want to take care of that. Okay. It's a delicate pack. Okay. Number to 99, Ryan Miller. Oh, Ryan Miller, please, crease cleaners, limited auto. Better than the norm.
Already. Nope.
No, all these packs are like crazy thick. Except this one has
Career contenders.
Calder contender. Oh yeah, that's stop. You can't go too fast with this one. Hold on a sec. Andy Miel, rookie dual jersey auto to $4.99, and Calder contenders Marcus Foligno to $9.99.
Man, you just told me all of these is crazy. Just feel that bad. I know that it's not it, but it just feels like it should.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe though, because that's
Another Marcus Foligno, pinnacle rookie. Where'd you throw the decoy? Oh, you got a silhouette.
Dang, I knew that was too thick to be a.
Silhouette rookie patch auto Brendan Smith. Not the best player, but I'm not going to complain about that. Good day of breaking so far. I guarantee you once Brandon gets here, it's just going to go downhill.
Let's hope that we get this all done before he gets here.
Dual jersey, David Runblad, Matt Fratton.
This looks cool.
Yeah, nothing special. Number to... What, is this even numbered? No. David Runblad, Matt Fratton, dual jersey. Go ahead and say it.
Oh, Andy Miele?
Meow.
Miele?
Show it.
Auto.
Certified freshman signatures. Jared Parker, pinnacle rookie.
Oh.
Show.
I have no idea what it is, but...
Crown Royal rookie. Gabriel Bork. You're allowed to say stuff too.
I mean, I don't know the names or what it is. I'm just kind of here to help open them.
Alright. Pinnacle Icebreakers rookie, Paul Prisma. That's all for mine.
Alright, last pack.
Nice
What we
box.
got? Oh.
Ryan Foster.
Rookie.
Yeah. Throw it with that.
Oh.
Nice box.
Yeah. How much was that?
Like 50.
I kind of like them, Matt. It's expensive.
Yeah,
but I'm
most of
doing
these
it.
aren't that good.
They're just cool.
Yeah. Ryan Miller. Okay, to recap right quick. Ryan Miller, limited crease cleaners auto. Andy Miel, dual jersey auto, $4.99. It's a really thick dual jersey auto. Brendan Smith, probably the hit of the box. Crown Royal rookie silhouettes. It looks so cool. Rookie rivalry, dual jersey, Matt Fratton, David Runblad, and Andy Miel, freshman signatures. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we're gonna go ahead and crack into the SP game used case, and see you in a little bit. So that's pretty much it. See ya.